Shadaeprincess S, bringing you beneficial knowledge and inspiration. International Day of Awareness of Food Loss and Waste, 29th of September. Reducing food losses and waste is essential in a world where the number of people affected by hunger has been slowly on the rise since 2014, and tons of edible food are lost and or wasted every day. The International Day of Awareness of Food Loss and Waste is an opportunity to call to action both the public, national or local authorities, and the private sector, businesses and individuals, to prioritize actions and move ahead with innovation to reduce food loss and waste towards restoring and building back better and resilient ready food systems. Food loss and waste undermine the sustainability of our food systems. When food is wasted, all the resources that were used to produce this food, including water, land, energy, labour and capital, also goes to waste. In addition, the disposal of food loss and waste in landfills leads to greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to climate change. Food loss and waste can also negatively impact food security and food availability and contribute to increasing the cost of food. Let's take action, start something, stop food loss and waste for the people and for the planet.